what I'm going to go ahead and do is, someone decided to go ahead and purchase one of these and insisted that we try this. So that kind of got rid of the sparkling water idea. I still have my keg I need to clean up. And there's a little bit of a slurry on the bottom. These are the dead yeasties and byproducts of the fermentation. So we'll do a little thing on cleaning this. Yeah, that's what we'll get taken care of. But let's work on this. In the kit comes a Heineken tap. I have never done this, so if this whole place gets sprayed with beer, please don't laugh too hard. So this little keg comes with a little plastic cover. Which will make you want to start drinking. There we go. Now they have their own little setup in here. Not sure how it all goes, but I'm just going to make an assumption here. All I have to do is press this in here, squeeze it. That's right. It's on. So okay, and it goes in. Normally if you do this, you would want to cool it overnight or a day. But where this was purchased, they already pre-froze it or pre-chilled it or pre-cooled it for you. And so it's ready to serve right away. Did I say something about spraying beer everywhere? I better clean that up before my wife finds out. Hopefully, the dogs will take care of the rest there. Okay, so like before, we put the nozzle in. Don't release this clip until after you've got this threaded through and locked down, okay? So just remember that. What is it your parents always say? Do as I say, not as I do. So, okay, so now that it's in there, I can release this. Down. Okay. With that, okay, so let's go ahead and we're going to do cooler. Look at that, there's a little keg there, just like what we have. Tap on this. I had moved this to 43 degrees. I don't know if you can see that. I'm trying to get so the exposure is not killing the screen. There we go. So it's 43 degrees and start, and it's cooling. That's it. That's easy. Well, I guess I have to drink this before we do whatever we're going to do next. I really want to brew some of these other beers that they have, only because of how much I enjoyed that pale ale. It was a hit. So, you know what? Look forward to sharing with you the next brew. I'm going to do a cleaning on the jug, the keg, next, and I guess I got to do that this weekend, because once this Heineken's gone, we're going to go ahead and brew another batch. Take care, And thank you for being on this adventure with me. Talk to you later.